Nature 2.0 is one of the tracks of probably the biggest blockchain hackathon of the world. The challenge of the Nature 2.0 track is to build the unimaginable. We want people to focus on commons, on systems towards abundance, on ownerless systems, beneficial for society. We are taking the new elements of blockchain, AI and autonomous assets to explore. How cool would it be if we're not building businesses, but commons? If we exchange our system of competition by a system of cooperation?
People don't have to have ownership over natural resources. It's very interesting to think of them being self-owned, self-aware maybe. And for that, I think we have an interesting mix of technology, ethics, ecology, maybe some philosophy that combines into a nice project called Nature 2.0.
A sustainable world already exists. It's all around us. And we are lucky enough to be surrounded by all these organisms that can help us to get there as well.
Essentially, you want to think of it as that we want to create our own brain for this natural resource, which will allow it to take care of itself by issuing out smart contracts on the blockchain.
So you can generate a swarm of machines that are not owned by one single entity or a company that can make profit of it, but they're just owned by themselves, generating wealth for mankind. So this will rapidly change the power dynamics of everything that's happening here on the planet that's being built on an economy-based model instead of an abundance-based model.
Can we come up with design principles that will make autonomous machines interact with each other and with us in a way that is always selfless and beneficial?
We are talking about the sort of most complex design spaces that we can imagine, and so we really need this engineering protocol as a means to take our ideas and turn them into reality.
It is only unimaginable for man. 8.7 million species are already living it. If this is the track for you, visit Nature 2.000 and discover the different paths of exploration. You will find a number of other communities who have their visions there described, who want you to participate in their community and in their team on the hackathon. You will be exploring DAOs, AI DAOs, public utility networks, user-curated lists, all those elements to understand how we can use them in a different way. Join our meetup on November 21st to understand how you can build Nature 2.0 solutions. Explore the unimaginable but buildable.